Gorgeous day. It should probably be stinking hot later on. So we're going to continue with the concrete walkway and many other things. Don't go away. Gongo and his nephew are getting some soil from up there to fill those steps. And then I'm going to have to fill here as well. And here I haven't finished yet. As far as I'm concerned, I need to get my breakfast. The girl's still sleeping. Daddy also playing cardboard box. Yeah, my love. She's happy. She watches cartoons. Making your breakfast. Oh, the tea bag is broken. Get a new one. Or get the thing.
Sister. It's okay. Tipid.
Yeah, this is taking shape. Yeah, we're gonna also modify this area, make it a little bit more safer. In the meantime, I need to make James' bench. It's gonna be a world first for me. We're gonna use this metal stud. Anyway, let's see. Robert's here. You happy? Yeah, it's here. Oh my God. What's up? You serious now? What's up, my love? Oh.
We can sit now here, Bella.
What's up? No, I'm just thinking about you. Hello, mommy. She's gonna be.
Put your screwdriver inside and you want me to remove it.
Nope. Yeah, that'll do. I still need to work. No, my love, you're not touching.
Thank you.
Not touching, okay?
But
I know you.
no, she wants to play with that. Oh, you do like Papi? Yeah? Doing furniture?
Ready to cement. Okay, Robert just left. We're about to cement all this, which is good. It's not over yet, but it's looking very good. I'm happy. My problem here is that I don't have enough metal stud to finish this bench. Not even to start it. I didn't realize. But anyway.
My diamond! My diamond is
Yeah,
already
diamond. Very expensive. It's stinking hot. It's lunchtime anyway. Everybody gone for lunch. Oh, I got my favorite pasta with tuna and mushroom, parmesan. Yum. I love it. That's all I need. I don't need my beautiful wife spend 3 hours in the kitchen. Just, how long? 15, 20 minutes?
30 something.
Yeah. So sorry guys, we need to eat now. That's it.
Ayaw ka, be.
Abu? Abu?
Daghan.
It's too hot to work outside, do some concrete work, so I still am going to. Yeah, that's why. It's hot, huh?
Joe, the very hot.
Don't touch. It's better than doing concrete outside, is it? Okay.
The very
So I'll come back a little bit later. I'm stuck with this bench. Only got one side and one leg done. I don't have enough metal stud. I need, I just work it out, I need 7 length. I only got 2, so I need another 5. So anyway. Here, everything ready to put the concrete. That's the way to polish a board floor here.
You don't want?
Give to her. Come on, my love. My love. She only do when she wants to. You do. Come on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yay.
Oh, good girl.
Only
Oh. Beautiful. Okay, we just received this parcel. It's another CCTV camera. The same as I have here. It's really, really good. And this one, the carport facing the gate. So anybody coming will have a shot at it. That's exactly the same I already have. It's good. Solar power, so I got to install before we go to Manila. And the second wardrobe just arrived. I think you remember it's exactly the same as the first one I assembled in one of the previous video. And they're really good. They're very cheap. 500 pesos. They know how to put together, and we got a lot of clothes inside, so it's pretty good. No worry for termite or book or what have you. And this is including shipping, 629 pesos. This solar CCTV camera, including shipping, 2,156 pesos. Okay, they're going somewhere there. It's good. Almost finished. It's good. He's a young boy. He can fit under the bench. Ah, forgot the knife. I'm doing a bit of a floor polishing, waxing. Yeah, a bit of dancing too.
too
This
hot.
heat, my God, it's so hot. I don't feel like doing anything. We're talking for the first time, maybe to put an aircon, but we may have 2-3 days in the year like this. I don't know. I got my little girl here. We don't dress her up because it's so hot. It's okay in the house with this big fan here. It's all right, but if you go outside, oh my God! And look, my baby, she's so pretty. What's up, my love? You wanna grab daddy? Oh, you're losing your short. Oh, we can see the bum. Ah, my love, it's so cute. You like do that, Gongon? You like do that? You like? We do everything here. I know.
After.
Yeah? Okay. If it works, stop the heat.
Yeah.
Of course. Oh, beautiful scissor. Very good. Got a cold drink and some bread.
Very good.
Okay.
This light.
Yeah, leave there. We'll fix after.
Screw.
Huh?
Screw.
Yeah, it does make a difference. Anyway, it's only a studio. It's not a house room, house bedroom, just a studio. I'm sure Jem will be happy. Okay. Nice to sit in the shed with a cold drink and some beautiful pan. Pan is bread in Bisaya. It's some Spanish actually. Be careful here, it's a drink. I just broken this aloe vera because it was too close to the gate there. I need more soil
Hoy!
and more
Bila.
water.
Bantay ha, kayang...
We got one here and one up there. Are you gonna sit there, baby? No? So, you like your pan? She doesn't like this. She does the same on the lounge. She always throw that on the floor. She doesn't like shoes. She doesn't like what else? A hat. She doesn't like anything. She doesn't like clothes. I think she must be born in a, I don't know, a desert island or something. What's that? The fly goes on your eye, my love? Naughty, yeah? Yeah. So cute. I've been lazy today. It's so hot. Don't feel like doing anything.
Oh.
I gotta move my car back to the concrete mixing so they get a bit of a shade. Let's try that. It's too hot still. It's 4 o'clock almost. That young boy's strong. Thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Okay, they just finished this one before leaving. So this is one of the steps leading to the backyard. They haven't finished, obviously. They have to make more steps, but it's getting there. It's all lined up. Rebars. Tomorrow morning we do all this. Okay, that's it for today. I'm not kidding, she installed herself. She put the pillow there and sit like that. I can't show everything because she's naked, but she's smart. Wow. And of course she's watching her favorite cartoon. And what my love doing? She's been doing waxing. Wax in, wax out. That looks good. Well done, good job. Like this, when it's all finished, all around the house, we don't have to walk in mud. So tomorrow you should be doing this. And then fix a little bit up there maybe. Or maybe first thing the next morning so we can walk in. We can walk to the carport. So they must start doing this area here, which is mostly on the shed, so a bit too hot for them. Petit à petit, l'oiseau fait son nuit. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.